In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo watermark to your video in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import your video in logo by clicking the import button and selecting the files you want to edit. First, drag your video to the timeline. Now, to add your logo, drag and drop it above the Waste video layer. Once your logo is on the timeline as an overlay, adjust its size by pinching or dragging the corners of the logo on the previous screen to scale it down to the size you want for your watermark. Position the logo in the corner or wherever you want it to appear on the video. Simply drag the logo around the preview window until you're happy with its placement. To make the watermark less distracting, we're going to reduce the opacity. Go to the Blend tab in the toolbar and adjust the opacity. Lower it to around 50% or whatever looks best for your video. You can also adjust the duration of the watermark by dragging the edges of the layer to match how long you want it to appear in your video. If you want more than one watermark logo, just copy the watermark layer and paste it above the base video layer. And repeat the process of repositioning it to your preferred location. Once everything looks good, preview your video to make sure the logo watermark is positioned and styled exactly as you want. Finally, click the export button to save your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a logo watermark to your video in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!